Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to BMO Student Credit Card. This tutorial will walk you through the process of applying and using your first credit card. As a student, having a credit card can be a great way to establish credit history and learn how to manage your finances. First, let's talk about the benefits of the BMO Student Credit Card. This card has no annual fee, which means you can use it without worrying about extra costs. It also has a low interest rate and a reasonable credit limit, making it perfect for students who are new to credit. To apply for the BMO Student Credit Card, you will need to be a student at a recognized Canadian university or college. You will also need to have a valid Canadian address and be at least 18 years old. You can apply online or in person at a BMO bank branch. Once you have been approved for the credit card, you will receive your card in the mail along with a welcome package. This package will include information about your credit limit, interest rate, and payment due date. It's essential to read this information carefully and understand the terms and conditions of your credit card. Now let's talk about how to use your BMO student credit card responsibly. The key to using a credit card is to only spend what you can afford to pay back. Make sure to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. You can set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. Another important thing to keep in mind is to keep your credit utilization ratio low. This means that you should try to keep your balance below 30% of your credit limit. For example, if your credit limit is $1,000, try to keep your balance below $300. In addition to using your credit card responsibly, you should also monitor your credit report regularly. You can request a free credit report from the credit bureau and review it to ensure there are no errors. Finally, let's talk about the importance of paying your credit card bill on time. Late payments can negatively affect your credit score, so it's crucial to make your payments on time. You can set up reminders or automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. In conclusion, the BMO Student Credit Card is a great way for students to establish credit history and learn how to manage their finances. By using your credit card responsibly and making your payments on time, you can build a positive credit history and set yourself up for financial success. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of your credit card and monitor your credit report regularly to ensure you are using your credit card effectively.